Lemonade is a drink. Another thing, I think. Thought I forgot something. All right, Animal Frosted Sugar Cookie Blizzard. Oh, oh yeah. Come see. Let me just get the receipt so I can find the exact name of the blizzard. Frosted Animal Cookie. That was wrong of me. I'm sorry. But yeah, first you got this close with the blizzard. Need to fix my stuff, yeah. Sorry if it's weird, there's just some salt. No nice food. But yeah, I shouldn't do that, yeah. It's weird. No, I'm just trying to use nothing. Just using palm to get to like my saliva to the napkin. Because I do one hand and my hand. I'm eating. Use these, so obviously it's not clean. Okay, I need to stop, yeah. Okay, that was last time. I'm annoying. I need to stop, yeah. I haven't had some lemonade yet, which is wrong of me. By wrong, I meant bad. There's a bit of sauce in my palm. From the lip. From the cheek. Cheek from cheek. No, nothing. Yeah, the cheek, but my lip too area, in the area around that, between that, lip and cheek, but quickly forgot what I said. Yeah, I'm annoyed about that. Sorry. Yeah, I don't know what I was talking about. Yeah, I'm annoyed about that. Yeah, sorry. When you're eating burgers, definitely eat to the side. Eat to the side, not like this. No. Don't eat ever how it is. Yeah, from the middle. Do the sides so that way. The oil, the sauce, the patty, the other meats, the cheese doesn't get in your face. I used to love eating frosted edible cookies when I was a kid, and I want to eat some more now that a blizzard was made, but it was made for I think like years ago. But that's my first time trying it. I just started thinking this right now. The first time I ate the burger sideways, which was the last time I ate the burger, and then I was thinking, man, yeah. Basically, last time I ate the burger, I thought to eat sideways and it was good, so I just said it. The bread was rippy. Looked cracky. Not left-handed, but I think I'll do some. I'll use my left-handed wizard while my right hand to eat the burger fries and drink the lemonade. And then after I'm done eating burger fries, and I'll use my hand again to eat the blizzard. I'm to eat the blizzard. Sorry for stuttering and saying other things. Yeah, the reason why is because I just really want to eat a lot while eating my burger and fries to really have a great experience, and also because of the fact that like this is a medium. It may not look like a medium, but it is medium. Actually, what am I saying? That's bad. Okay, guys, stop talking. This one is exceptional because there was not as much stuff to make a mess on your face. Actually, never mind. We're going to that left-handed. I'm just so tricky nonsense on what I say. Need to not be so slow. And we have my burger last time I ate it, yeah, just now. If it was a lot, and then reach my mouth when I get it. Stay there in mouth. Sorry, I was just looking and thinking. I think maybe that was gross. Sorry. The way how my hands were bad. Yeah, I'm really weird. Let me stop. The bacon's good, but I definitely prefer crispier bacon. These are crispy on the edge, but these are chewy, like in the exact spot right after the edges. So not even in the middle, just like right after. Well, I'm not really the tip, but the edges of it. I'm not sure to describe it. Yeah, I'm not sure. Yeah, mine's just weird. Sneeze up. Excuse me. Sorry. I'm gonna take my time. No, eat slowly for the chewy bacon. And crispy bacon just has like a really effect. Well, not an effect. Okay, that's weird. Like I said. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, mine is just weird and annoying and stuff. But crispy bacon. There you go. Has a satisfaction bite that crunch. Just you bite it, the crispy bacon really just has like something like rewarding or something like satisfying. Yeah, or is it satisfying? Something like just really happy because it snaps in a good way and pops in a good way. There you go. Yeah, don't say forget about snaps, pops. I was gonna say snaps and pops, but I like pops better than snaps. So I'm gonna take out snaps. Yeah. Sorry, I'm fine. Sorry, that's weird. Okay. Yeah, I'm here. I need to stop. Okay. Finish the rest of this blizzard. Sorry, I'm really annoying. So the blizzard cards are up. Sorry. Make a mess. There you go. Wow, the blizzard's still fully in. Most of it's still in the ice cream form. Even though it's sunny and over 20 minutes, wow. There you go again. I'm literally so almost annoying. There you go. Faster, so better to clean it up, yeah. Okay. I'm gonna just put this like here. Yep. Blizzard up here. Almost on the floor. My God, bam. Sorry. No, I thought nasty, just cleaning out, so yeah. Good. That drip or drips, drops. Not that's word. No, that's word. Drips for like 2 or more drip of stuff. Yeah, drops and stuff. Drops. I'm not sure what I said. Yeah, not sure what I said. Anyways, I get things. My was getting confused, so my mindset. I need to stop until I think it's stuff. But anyways, it got on the cup, not on the table mat, which is an improvement again. And like, and this is just for fidgeting for like science projects. Yeah. This looks like a birthday cake wizard. Here I am again. This one almost done. I'm going to make this drink it. This is not as gross. This is not gross. I'm gonna drink it like this. This is better. Not smooth, but it's fine. Of course, though, yeah. Crackers, sprinkles, yeah. Cookies, yeah. Not crackers. Sprinkles are in it, so yeah, the cookies. Come on. Don't worry, everything's fine. I have a little bit of allergies. It's fine. So this job, I forgot to also mention the lemonade sign. When I ate it with the burger, while eating it, while eating it with the burger and fries, while eating the burger, fries, and Blizzard. No, I finished lemonade while eating. While eating burger, fries. Actually, I wasn't sure. Repeating myself, yeah. No, I repeated myself on something that was right, but I just thought it was didn't know. Different to explain. No, not sure what I was gonna explain. I thought it was like different. I'm not sure how to explain it. There you go. Yeah. I just finished lemonade while eating the burger and fries, and eating the Blizzard, but not when I was finishing the Blizzard. But yeah, I mean, no but. That's my dog. Yeah, no but. Chili, calm down. Alright. This mukbang is done. And sorry about all the times I was being weird and stuff with like talking and like making it. I was just trying to make things perfect. Just to clean things up and like myself, and I need to fix and change myself. So yeah. But anyways, yeah. This mukbang is done.